Hi, I'm going to give a quick walkthrough of how I set up quick email verification, integrated it with my ActiveCampaign account. And what's going to happen is if someone subscribes to a list, it will run through quick email verification system to determine if it's a good email address or not. And if it's not, they will get unsubscribed from the list. So the first thing to do is open up this page, docs.quickemailverification.com, and you can find their integrations. They've got lots of integrations right here. So I'm on ActiveCampaign. This walks you through everything you need to know. So definitely be following through that, be going through that. I'll pretty much sum it up. On the quick email verification page, you just need to create an API key. It'll ask you for the name that you will give it, such as your business name, AC, and then a password. It's not clear on that page, but the password is your quick email verification password. First, set up a free account with them. And then you're going to go over to ActiveCampaign, and you're going to go down to apps right here. And you're going to go find the quick email verification app. You can search for it up here. And there it is right there. You're going to give it the API key. And you're also going to have to fill out some custom field information. The article that I showed you before walks you through which custom fields to create in ActiveCampaign. And basically it is going to look like this. I put them all into the same group. I created a group of custom fields called Quick Email Verification. You're going to have to enter all of these into ActiveCampaign to create them and then use them when you set up that integration. All right, once that's done, how to put this to use, you're gonna need it in an automation. So here's what I did. I already had this one going. When the contact subscribes to the list electronic newsletters, I'm gonna run them through, verify an email with quick email verification. This will be an option in ActiveCampaign in the apps choices. It's going to wait 20 minutes for quick email verification to deliver a result. And if it delivers a result, it'll immediately keep going. If not, after 20 minutes, it'll come to this if else. I like the way this is set up because you get 100 free credits a day on quick email verification site. So what would happen if you went over 100 or if your quick email verification just gets disabled? We don't want this set up in a way that a person will only pass through if quick email is working. So what it's saying is, as long as it does not say invalid and as long as they are not a disposable email address according to quick email, then it will put them through. Whereas if they did get those ratings of invalid and disposable, then it goes to the no side of the if then, and they're going to get unsubscribed from the list. But assuming they passed, I'm going to tag them. These are tags I give to everyone who's on the list and active, and then it's going to send out the initial email to that person, and then whatever else you want to do in that automation is fine. But basically, summary, they subscribe to electronic newsletters. Their email gets run through quick email verification, and either it passes and they get tagged as being a subscriber and that they are good to receive live emails and they get my first email, or they get unsubscribed from the list. So as I said, it looks like you get about 100 free emails a day, and if you want to pay for more, if you think you're getting more than 100 signups a day, you can do that. All right, good luck.